did Sony just bring back one of the most iconic compact cameras ever made? After 6 long years of silence, the RX100 series is suddenly back on the radar, and this time the noise feels different, louder, and far more credible than the usual speculation that comes and goes every year. This is not just a passing rumor whispered through forums or buried in vague supply chain chatter. The Sony RX100 VIII has reportedly appeared on Sony's 2026 internal release roadmap, and that single detail has been enough to ignite serious discussion across the photography world. The leaks are no longer scattered or inconsistent either. They are beginning to align into a coherent picture that suggests Sony is preparing something far more ambitious than a routine refresh. We are potentially looking at a new sensor architecture, a faster and more intelligent image processor, and a significantly upgraded autofocus system that leans heavily on artificial intelligence. On top of that, video capabilities are expected to finally meet modern creator demands, which have evolved dramatically over the last half-decade. All of this points toward a camera that is not just trying to exist in today's market, but one that is attempting to redefine its place within it. The natural question that follows is simple but important. Why now? Why would Sony wait 6 years before revisiting a lineup that was once considered the gold standard of premium compact cameras? The answer likely lies in how much the industry has changed during that time. Back in 2019, the RX100 VII was already pushing the limits of what a pocket camera could achieve. It delivered impressive speed, excellent autofocus, and strong video performance for its size. However, the world did not stand still. Smartphones rapidly improved, especially in computational photography, making them the default choice for casual users. At the same time, mirrorless cameras became more compact, more powerful, and more accessible, eating into the space that premium compacts once dominated. Meanwhile, content creation exploded, and with it came a new set of expectations. Today's users want professional-grade features in devices that are still portable and easy to use. Sony seems to understand that returning to the RX100 line requires more than a minor update. It demands a full rethinking of what a compact camera should be in 2026. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the RX100 VIII is the introduction of a brand new 1-inch stacked sensor paired with Sony's latest processing engine. On paper, that might sound like a technical upgrade, but in real-world use, it translates into meaningful improvements that users will notice immediately. Better low-light performance is at the top of that list, with early reports suggesting gains of up to 2 stops. That kind of improvement can transform how and where you shoot, turning dim environments into usable scenes without excessive noise. Faster readout speeds will also reduce rolling shutter effects and allow for quicker burst shooting, making the camera more responsive overall. Image quality is expected to improve across the board, with sharper details, better dynamic range, and more consistent results in challenging conditions. These are not just incremental gains. They are the kind of changes that can redefine user confidence in a camera this small. Autofocus is another area where Sony is expected to push boundaries. The RX100 VII already had excellent tracking, but technology has advanced significantly since then. The RX100 VIII is rumored to incorporate AI-driven subject recognition that can identify and track eyes, faces, animals, and even specific objects with greater precision. This means less time worrying about focus and more time capturing the moment. For fast-moving subjects like children, pets, or sports action, this level of reliability is critical. A camera that locks focus instantly and holds it consistently can make the difference between getting the shot and missing it entirely. In a compact camera, where every shot counts, this kind of performance becomes even more valuable. Video capabilities are also expected to see a major leap forward. The content creation landscape has changed dramatically, and modern users demand more flexibility than ever before. The RX100 VIII is rumored to support higher frame rates for smoother slow motion, improved stabilization for handheld shooting, and potentially richer color depth for better post-production control. These features would make it an incredibly versatile tool for vloggers, travelers, and hybrid creators who want high-quality footage without carrying bulky equipment. The idea of having a truly pocketable camera that can deliver professional-looking video is incredibly appealing, especially for those who prioritize mobility. Despite all these internal upgrades, one of the most reassuring aspects of the leaks is that the physical design is expected to remain largely unchanged. The RX100 series has always been defined by its portability, and Sony appears committed to preserving that identity. A camera that fits in your pocket but delivers near-professional performance is still a powerful concept, even in today's crowded market. Improvements in battery life are also being hinted at, which could significantly enhance the overall user experience. Longer shooting times mean fewer interruptions and more freedom to focus on creativity rather than logistics. Of course, no discussion would be complete without addressing pricing. This is where Sony's strategy will be tested the most. The previous model launched at a premium price that many found difficult to justify, especially with increasingly capable smartphones and competitive mirrorless options available. If the RX100 VIII is priced too high, it risks alienating potential buyers who may see better value elsewhere. However, if Sony can strike the right balance between performance and affordability, the camera could reclaim its position as the king of premium compacts. At the same time, the RX100 VIII is not the only intriguing development on Sony's horizon. Rumors surrounding the Sony A13 suggest a completely different kind of ambition, one that aims to blur the lines between speed, resolution, and video capability. Unlike the RX100 VIII, which is focused on portability and convenience, the A13 appears to be targeting professionals who demand uncompromising performance in every aspect. The idea is not to dominate a single category, but to eliminate the need for multiple camera bodies altogether. If the leaks are accurate, the A13 could feature an even faster stacked sensor, enhanced AI autofocus, and video capabilities that approach cinema-grade reliability. The emphasis on speed is particularly interesting, as faster readout times reduce rolling shutter and enable blackout-free shooting. This allows photographers to track subjects continuously without interruption, which is invaluable for action and wildlife photography. There is even speculation about the possibility of global shutter technology, although Sony may choose to refine its existing stacked CMOS approach to maintain dynamic range and low-light performance. Beyond raw specifications, usability is also a major focus, with rumors pointing to improved ergonomics, a higher resolution electronic viewfinder, and better overall handling during long shoots. Ultimately, both the RX100 VIII and the A13 represent two sides of the same strategy. One is about redefining what a compact camera can do, while the other is about pushing the limits of flagship performance. Together, they suggest that Sony is not content with incremental progress. Instead, the company appears to be preparing for a more aggressive push to shape the future of photography. Whether these cameras live up to the hype remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: the industry is watching very closely, and expectations have never been higher.